Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best projector screen for foldable, portable outdoor cinema setups, the Mdbebbron 120-inch projector screen. Whether you're gearing up for a cozy backyard movie night or a travel-friendly home theater experience, this screen is designed to elevate your viewing without the hassle. Let's start with first impressions. Right out of the box, the Mdbebbron screen makes portability a top priority. It comes in a lightweight, one-piece design that folds neatly into a compact size, small enough to slide into a backpack or suitcase. That means you're not lugging around heavy metal frames or bulky stands. Whether you're heading to a friend's house, a classroom, or a campground, this screen is built to travel with you. The screen features a 16:9 aspect ratio with a 120-inch diagonal, giving you a generous 104 by 58 inches of viewing area. It's perfect for modern widescreen content, and you get a full, immersive visual experience, whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, gaming on a console, or projecting a presentation for a group. Now, one concern many people have with foldable screens is creasing. But here's where the Mdbebbron screen truly stands out. It's made from thick, high-absorbance polyester material that is both anti-crease and smooth. Even after being folded, the surface stays flat and wrinkle-free once mounted, ensuring a crisp, clear picture. This is a game-changer if you've ever struggled with uneven projections or distorted visuals on cheaper screens. As for brightness and clarity, the polyester fabric enhances light reflectivity. That means your projector's image looks sharper and brighter compared to many budget alternatives. You won't need the most powerful projector to get a great image. This screen helps maximize what you already have. Setup is impressively flexible. You're not limited to any one mounting method. You can use hooks, ropes, nails, brackets, or even double-sided tape to fasten it to walls, poles, or other surfaces. This makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, whether you're turning your living room into a theater or setting up a screen under the stars. And here's a detail that frequent users will appreciate: it supports double-sided projection. So if you ever want to project from behind the screen, maybe for a more minimal or clean viewing setup, this screen has you covered. In terms of build and durability, it strikes a good balance. It's soft and lightweight for portability, but still robust enough to handle regular folding and transport. You don't get the feeling it'll tear or degrade with a few uses. To wrap it up, the Mdbebbron 120-inch foldable projector screen offers unbeatable value. It's portable, easy to set up, crease-resistant, and supports a high-quality viewing experience. Whether you're setting up an outdoor movie night, presenting in a classroom, or just looking for a budget-friendly home theater solution, this screen checks all the right boxes. If you're looking for the most convenient and effective way to bring big-screen entertainment anywhere you go, this is a screen worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Catch you in the next one.